Active learning works. Decades of research demonstrate the effectiveness of involving students in their own learning compared to relying on transmitting information alone. Cooperative learning strategies build on this by leveraging engaging social experiences that lead to deeper learning. They also build skills that students need to succeed outside the classroom in their lives and in the workplace. The Jigsaw Method is an example of an activity that incorporates active cooperative learning strategies. Jigsaw is a proven, structured, peer instruction activity where you break content into chunks and divide students into groups, with each student in the group taking responsibility to become the expert on one of the chunks. They'll then share their expertise with the rest of the group via peer instruction. Let's take a look at an example to see how it works. Let's say my learning objective is for students to be able to plan healthy, balanced meals. I'm using Jigsaw to help students learn the foundational knowledge they'll need to accomplish this goal. Using Harvard's Healthy Eating Plate as a basis for the lesson, I break my 30 students into 5 groups of 6. I'm using groups of 6 because I can easily and logically divide this content into 6 chunks. Depending on your content, the number of students per group will vary, but it typically works best to have jigsaw groups of about 4 to 6 students. Within each jigsaw, group members divide up the chunks so one person takes responsibility for each piece of that puzzle, one student becoming the designated expert for each chunk. I instruct the experts to start their research, explaining that they will teach their peers why and how their part is an essential component to a healthy meal, including the nutrition it provides and the impact it has on metabolic processes. Following this initial research period, students gather into expert groups. During this part of the activity, students compare their findings and collaborate to plan the instruction they'll deliver back in their jigsaw groups. This is a great opportunity for me to walk around the room and make sure everyone's on the right track and answer any questions that the expert groups might be grappling with. Students then return to their jigsaw groups and peer instruction begins. Most instructors incorporate formative assessment, such as a quiz following the activity, to ensure students achieved an understanding of the concepts. Some instructors give students 2 scores, one for their individual performance on the quiz and one for the group average. This can help encourage cooperation and shared responsibility during the activity. This step can also provide information that you can use to refine and improve the activity in future semesters. This activity can be adapted for hybrid learning. Experts might start working on their initial research as a homework assignment and then come together in their expert groups prior to class via a group discussion board in Canvas, preserving that class time for the peer instruction portion of the activity. For a fully online class, separate discussion boards can be created for the expert and jigsaw groups. In Zoom, breakout rooms can be utilized for these activities. We hope you enjoy implementing the Jigsaw activity in your classes, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips like this one.